love a chicken shawarma gyro. Oh my gosh, you know when you go to the Greek restaurants or the Mediterranean restaurants and they have like the chicken shawarma and they're slicing it off that rotating thing. Love it. So I'm gonna make a quick marinade for my chicken shawarma. All right, I got some Greek yogurt here, some minced garlic, juice of half a lemon, have some smoked paprika, some cumin, also earthy, smoky, some coriander, just a little bit of that goes a long way, some turmeric for a little color, and some cardamom. I love the way cardamom smells, it's so aromatic. So I'm gonna use just a pinch of salt and a little olive oil. I'm gonna add my chicken to the marinade. I'm using all white meat breast, and I'm also using thighs. And I like to mix it up. Dark meat to me tends to be a little bit more juicier, a little bit more flavor, and white meat in general is just, you know, really great to grill and cook. All right, so I'm gonna let this marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. All right, so I've got my chicken that's been marinating for quite some time now, and I'm just gonna grill it off. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more salt and a little pepper on my chicken while it's grilling. Okay, some black pepper. So while that grills, I'm gonna make my tzatziki sauce. Now, that is a very simple yogurt, cucumber, and lemon sauce, and I love to add fresh dill to it. So I have a cucumber here that I am going to grate. And I like using English cucumber because you don't have to peel it because the skin is really soft. I'm gonna let the cucumber sit on this towel and soak up some of that water. Now I'm gonna add my Greek yogurt, full fat. I'm gonna add the juice of half of this lemon. I've used a lot of lemon today. I love lemon. Got some garlic, some minced garlic, a little cayenne pepper, a little heat, about a 1/4 teaspoon of that. I'm gonna chop up some fresh dill. I like tons of dill. Give it a rough chop. A few pinches of some salt, a little sugar to help balance out that acidity in here, and a little olive oil. Okay? I've added my grated cucumber and I'm just giving it a mix. Let me flip the chicken. Ooh, pretty. Look at the color. All right, so I'm gonna build my gyro now. Okay, so I have my chicken here. I'm gonna kind of cut it up so it looks like that shaved chicken shawarma you get in the restaurant. Ooh-wee. Got my pita. Kept it warm in the oven. I've wet a paper towel and I locked it in there with foil so it creates like a steam bath. Keeps it nice and moist. You see that? Beautiful. So what I like to do first is put a little tzatziki sauce down, add some of that chicken. I'm gonna add some sliced red onions, some tomato and some pickle. Oh, look at that. That's a gyro for you. Close it up and roll it. I'm so excited and hungry.